Are you dreaming about starting your own business? Do you want to turn your passion into profit, but you're caught up in the weeds trying to figure out what to do, where to go, or even how to start? Well, I have great news. In just 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact steps to get your business up and running. We're going to cut through the noise and get straight to the point. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started on your journey to financial freedom. Step 1, you want to come up with your business idea. Everything that we enjoy today started with an idea. I would recommend something that you're passionate about, something that you see yourself doing, even if you're not getting paid. Step 2, you want to research your business idea to see if there's a market for it and if you can make profit from that business. And also to see if it's something new that's going to dominate the marketplace. This step is very important. Step 3, you want to create your business LLC. This is something that you can do yourself or you can pay someone to do it for you. You just go to the Secretary of State website and follow the instructions. Watch a couple YouTube videos and see if you can do it yourself. This is something that I recommend you do yourself so you can save some money. I did it for myself when I started out my business over half a decade ago. And it's a simple process, but some people would rather pay. I recommend doing it yourself. At least you'll have experience and the knowledge of how to set up an LLC. Step 4, you want to set up your business bank account. This is very simple. All you need to do is go into your local bank and let them know you want to set up a business bank account so you can have a separate account for your business. You're not mixing your business transaction with your personal transaction. The IRS don't like when you mix your business and your personal transactions together. So this is an easy process. Go into the bank, let them know you want to set up a business account, and they will walk you through the process and lead you in the right direction. Within a day or two, you can have this up and running. Step 5, you want to get your business license and insured. This is very important for you to have so you can protect your business with the proper insurance and the proper license for your business. Once again, business insurance, you can find it online easily. You got insurance like Next Insurance and a lot more out there. And licensing, you just check your local jurisdiction and see what type of license you need for your business. Guys, if you're getting value from this video and you would love to see more videos like these, please remember, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you can be notified when we drop another video like this. So let's get back into the video. Step 6, you want to create your website and have an email. Your website is where you're going to showcase your products and services and build your online presence. The email, you can link to your website so they can send message from your website and you get it into your email. For your website, I recommend trying to do this yourself, especially in a day like today when you have AI generated templates on these platforms. You don't really got to spend a lot of money to get your website up and running. Number 7, you want to set up 3 different payment options. So when you work or you sell a product, you can receive your money. You can use Stripe, you can use Square, you can use Zelle. You want to give your customer multiple options of how they can pay you, especially card payment. In today's society, everybody want to swipe that card and you don't want nothing to hold you back from collecting your money. So now you have your business up and ready to go. You're going to need customers for it to grow. So click this video to learn how to attract more customers.